How to set up follower alert in your Twitch account. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to set up follower alert in your Twitch account. So in order to do it, first of all, follow the simple steps. Open up a browser, log in into your twitchtv.com, and once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. And while you're on this page, what you need to do is press the profile from the top right hand side corner, go to this option that says creator dashboard. As you press the creators dashboard section, it's going to take you to a completely different page. So here, what next you need to do is you can find the alert section in the left hand side bar. You go ahead and press that. Here you need to press on create alert box. Once you do that, you need to customize all of these, and then you could go ahead and set up a follower alert in your Twitch TV account. So with this you've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.